Progress. Hello students, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so in the previous class we were studying the variation of parameter, right? I told that only 4 examples I have heard. So even rest of the 4 examples we have to go in the similar manner. So then too we will check some of the examples. Okay, so this yes. Till here I have completed. We'll solve the fifth one. Okay, solve by the method of variation of parameter y double dash plus 4y equal to tan of 2x. So here as a tan of 2x is there, so independent variable will be x because RHS is expressed in terms of x. So d square y by dx square, the same thing, this y double dash I'm writing. 4y will be writing as 4y only is equal to tan of 2x. So just to get the complementary function, okay. So this I'm writing it in a standard form. D square y plus 4y equal to tan of 2x. Y is common. D square plus 4 into y is equal to tan of 2x. So here m square plus 4 equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 4. M equal to plus or minus I into 2 because square root of minus 4. Square root of minus 4 is there. So this square root of this can be written as square root of minus 1 square root of 4. So square root of minus 1 will be I and square root of 4 will be 2. So it is plus or minus I into 2. So that's what I'm writing here. So this can be written as plus or minus I2, and whatever the RHS is there, that we take it as tan of 2x, tan of 2x. And here it is a complex root. It is a complex root. So, so what we are doing is that the roots are 0 plus or minus I into 2 is there, right? So here P is 0 and Q is 2. So our general formula is Y is equal to E raised to Px into C1 cos Qx plus C2 sin Qx. So P means write it 0 here, Q means write it 2 here, write it 2. That's it. So C1 cos of 2x, after simplification, what we are getting? C1 cos of 2x plus C2 sin of 2x. And I told you whatever the constants are coming, that I had to take it as A and B. So here the constant is C1, take it as A, and the other variable you take it as Y1. And the constant C2, take it as B. Other variable, you take it as Y2. So here, our main intention is to get the value of A and B and identify Y1 and Y2. Just to equate the things, you'll come to know. So Y1 is cos of 2x, Y2 is sin of 2x. So Y1 is cos of 2x, Y2 is sin of 2x. Similarly, Y1 dash, derivative of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x. Derivative of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. Okay, so after getting y1, y1 dash, y2, y2 dash, Wronskian we have to calculate. What is the Wronskian? That is, the formula for Wronskian is y1, y2 dash minus y2, y1 dash. So that is y1. We can see here y1, y2 dash. So y1 means cos of 2x, y2 dash is 2 cos 2x. Y2, that is sine of 2x, y1 dash minus 2 sine of 2x. So I have substituted here 2 cos square 2x, this is minus minus plus 2 sine square 2x. So 2 cos square 2x plus 2 sine square 2x, no? So here 2 is common. I take 2 common, cos square 2x plus sine square 2x. So the cos square 2x plus sine square 2x using Pythagorean relation, I can write it as 1 Therefore, the solution is 2 into 1 will be 2, and that is not equal to 0. I told that Wronskian should not be equal to 0. Wronskian should not be equal to 0. So therefore, so let us calculate the value of A and B. So first one, we will calculate E. So that is A is equal to integration minus y to pi of x divided by w into d of x. So this is a whole formula. So in this formula, minus as it is, y2 means sine of 2x, Wronskian is 2, pi of x is tan of 2x. So we have to simplify and we have to write the answer. So here part of it will be repeated like a previous formula. So sine of 2x as it is, tan of 2x. I'll write sine of 2x divided by cos of 2x. So sine square into sine square, sine into sine will be sine square 2x divided by cos of 2x. So this minus 1 by 2, the constant term, I'll keep it out only. So further here, I cannot integrate. So because of that, further what I'm thinking, whether I can go by some other formulas. The other formulas are, so sine square 2x can be written as, because in the denominator cos will be there. So because of that, sine square I'll write 1 minus cos square 2x divided by cos of 2x dx. So now you can separate the terms. 1 divided by cos of 2x, cos square 2x divided by cos of x. So this get cancelled. 1 upon cos 2x will be second 2x, and cos get cancelled. So it is cos of 2x dx. So integration of second 2x, direct integration we are getting here, that is log of second 2x plus tan 2x, but always in the integration coefficient of x, we have to divide it. So I wrote divided by 2. Next, integration of cos of 2x is sine of 2x divided by 2 plus k1 will be constant of integration. So here minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 4. This will be as it is. So this minus plus sine of 2x will be 2x divided by 4 plus k1. So next, let us come to B. Y1 pi of x divided by w dx. So y1 will be cos of 2x divided by 2 into tan of 2x. So 1 by 2 I'll take out, cos of 2x into tan of 2x will be sine of 2x divided by cos of 2x. Cos of 2x get cancelled. Integration of sine 2x. What is the integration of sine 2x? Minus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay, so 2 to the 4 minus cos 2x divided by 4 plus k2, the constant of integration. The constant of integration. So y is equal to, see, y is equal to, this is A, y1 plus this is B, y2. So altogether I had to multiply. Altogether I had to multiply, and the constant terms only I had to keep in one bracket. Rest of the things I had to keep it in one bracket. That much. Okay. Understood this? Fifth example. Yes, understood the fifth example? Is any doubts in the fifth example?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So solve by the method of variation of parameter d square y by dx square plus y is equal to 1 upon 1 plus sin x. So this can be written as, d square y plus y is equal to 1 upon 1 plus sin x, d square plus 1 into y is equal to 1 upon 1 plus sin x. So this is auxiliary equation. M square plus 1 equal to 0, m square equal to minus 1, m equal to plus or minus I, and pi of x will be 1 upon 1 plus sin x. So here again p is missing, p is 0, and q, coefficient of I, that is 1. So I can write it as e raised to 0 into x, c1 cos 1 into x plus c2 sin 1 into x. So here I had done the mistake. So So please, it is not cos 2x, but answer I wrote it correctly. So here, please try to make a correction that don't write 2x here. This 2 you remove. Okay, only you write x, because here 1 is there. Q means 1. Okay, cos of x plus c2 sine of x. So constant. So this c1 you take it as a, this c2 you take it as b, a y1 plus b y2. So rest of the thing I written correctly. So y1 is cos x, y2 is sin x, y1 dash is minus sin x, y2 dash is cos x. So Ranshan will be y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. So substitute y1 y2 dash, y2 y1 dash, that is cos square x plus sin square x, which is nothing but 1. So w equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. This is the Ranshan. A is equal to minus y2 pi of x divided by w into dx minus y2. So what is y2 here? That is sine of x. Ranshan will be 1. Pi of x will be 1 upon 1 plus sin x. So into dx. So here the simplification goes to minus sin x divided by 1 plus 1 sin x. Only this much. Okay. So further simplification is not possible. I'll do rationalization of the denominator. Rationalization of the denominator, 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin x. So please try to multiply numerator as well as denominator. So here you can see here minus sin x into 1 minus sin x minus minus plus sin x into sin x, it will be sin square x. So here in the denominator it will be a plus b, a minus b. So that is a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So minus sin x plus sin square x divided by 1 minus sin square x will be cos square x. See the denominator. So this is cos square x. So what I will do, minus sin x divided by cos square x, sin square x divided by cos square x. I'll separate it. So minus sin x divided by cos x, one term, minus 1 upon cos x, because in the denominator cos square x is there. So sin square upon cos square will be tan square. Okay. So therefore, what I will do is that secant x into tan x plus tan square x dx. Next, I'll integrate each term, this term and this term. Okay. Integration of minus secant x into tan x dx plus integration of tan square x dx. See here, integration of minus, you keep it out, secant x into tan x. So tan square x differentiation directly it is not possible. So what I will do using Pythagorean relation, tan square x, I'll write it as secant square x minus 1. Secant square x minus 1. So separately I'll integrate this as well as this, because in between minus sign is there. So therefore minus secant x into tan x plus integration of secant square x minus integration of dx. So therefore minus secant x plus, see the integration of this is secant x, minus sign is there as usual. Integration of secant square x will be tan x. Integration of dx will be x plus k1 plus k1. Okay. So next, b is equal to y1 pi of x divided by w dx. So y1 is cos x. Ranshan will be 1. Pi of x will be 1 upon 1 plus sin x. So what I'm writing is that here, after simplification, cos of x divided by 1 plus sin x. So directly I cannot integrate cos of x divided by 1 plus sin x. I'll rationalize the denominator. So this is rationalization I'm doing. So 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin x. Cos of x into 1, see multiply, cos of x into 1, cos of x. Cos of x into sin x will be cos of x into sin x. So in the denominator, we are getting a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So cos of x minus cos of x sin x divided by cos square x. So what I will do is that from the numerator cos x is common. So cos x I'll take common. So cos x is common. 1 minus sin x is remained inside divided by cos x. 1 cos x get cancelled. 1 minus sin x divided by cos x dx. So 1 upon cos x minus sin x divided by cos x dx. So next thing is that 1 upon cos x will be secant x. Sin by cos will be tan. So integration of secant x, integration of tan x. So what is the integration of secant x? Log secant x plus tan x. What is the integration of tan x? So what you can write it directly, tan x as a log of secant x, if you know. Otherwise, integration of tan will be sin by cos. It is f dash of x divided by f of x. So see, what is differentiation of cos x? Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. So that see, differentiation of the denominator should be there in the numerator. So this minus sign, I'll take inside, I'll make it as plus. So integration of cos x will be minus sin x. So log f of x I can write. What is log f of x? That is f of x is cos x here. Okay. So that I'm writing. So finally, I'm getting the values of both a and b. Okay. So that value of a and b I'm substituting in equation 1. So equation 1 will be so a y1 plus b y2. So here this is a, this is y1, this is b, this is y2. Multiply it. Multiply. I had done it. You can see here. Multiply entire thing. Okay. So only constant, the constants you can collect it in one bracket. K1 cos x, K2 sin x. This you have to collect it in one bracket, and rest of the things you have to simplify, you have to write it, or directly you can write, that is up to you. So any doubts? Hello? Any doubts?
Mm,
Hello?
mm,
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So in a similar way, the seventh example. Okay, so that is d square y by dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to e raised to x tan x. So that is d square y minus 2d of y plus 2 of y is equal to e raised to x tan x. So d square minus 2d plus 2 into y is equal to e raised to x tan x. So auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m plus 2 equal to 0. And pi, this is pi of x, e raised to x tan x. So here roots are not, means factors are not possible. So because of that, what I'm doing, I'm using the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a divided by 2a. So minus, the value of b is minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 the square minus 4 into 1 into 2 divided by 2 into 1. So that is minus minus plus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 8 divided by 2. So 2 plus or minus square root of minus 4 divided by 2. So 2 plus or minus square root of minus 4, I explained in the previous example. Square root of minus 4 is I into 2. In the numerator, 2 is common. 2 get cancelled. Okay. So we are getting 1 plus or minus I. 1 plus or minus I. So therefore, you can see here, e raised to x c1 cos x c2 sin x. So this is the solution. But what I told, c1 and c2 had to take a constant. That is possible only when you are doing the clear simplification. So I'll write C1 e raised to x cos x plus C2 e raised to x sin x. Don't take at this step only. That is wrong. Don't take at this step. That is wrong. So simplify it and take it. So that is C1 e raised to x cos x plus C2 e raised to x sin x. So C1 will be a e raised to x cos x. This I'll take it as y1. C2 will be b e raised to x sin x. This I'll take it as y2. So y1 and y2 I have identified. Y1 is e raised to cos x, y2 is e raised to sin x. So now we will differentiate. First function into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x plus cos x into e raised to x differentiation is e raised to x. Therefore, y1 dash is minus e raised to x sin x plus e raised to x cos x. Y2 e raised to x sin x. Y2 dash will be e raised to x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x plus sin x into e raised to x. So this will be as usual. Okay. So Ronshan will be y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. So this is what y1. This is what y2 minus this is what y2. This is what y1 dash. So everything we will multiply it. Everything we will multiply. So after multiplication, okay. So this factor into this factor, this factor into this factor, this factor into this factor, this factor into this factor. So here what happens is that this term and this term, both they are same with positive and negative signs. Both they are same with positive and negative signs. So that is e raised to x, e raised to x, e raised to 2x. Here also you can see e raised to this, e raised to x, e raised to x. Bases are same, you can add the powers. So e raised to 2x, this side also e raised to 2x, cos square x plus sin square x. So common, e raised to 2x I'll take. So e raised to 2x is common, cos square x plus sin square x will be remained inside. So e raised to 2x into 1, that is e raised to 2x. This e raised to 2x is not equal to 0. This e raised to 2x is not equal to 0. Okay. So now let us calculate a. That is a is integration minus y2 pi of x divided by w minus what is y2 e raised to x sin x divided by e raised to 2x into e raised to x tan x dx. So e raised to x, e raised to x, bases are same. This one and this one you can see. Bases are same, you can add the powers. E raised to 2x divided by e raised to 2x. Sin x, tan x can be done as sin x upon cos x. These two get cancelled. Okay, so here sin x into sin x, this sin square x divided by cos x. So 1 minus cos square x divided by cos x dx. So 1 upon cos x, cos square x by cos x. So cos square x get cancelled. 1 upon cos x, that is second x, minus cos x, only one cos x is remained. What is next? Integration of second x, minus minus, see this into this, minus 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 plus. So minus integration of second x plus integration of cos x dx. So that is a is equal to minus log of second x plus tan x plus sin x plus k1. Okay, so b is y1 pi of x divided by w. Okay, divided by w. So e raised to x cos x divided by e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x tan x dx. E raised to x, e raised to x, e raised to 2x divided by e raised to 2x cos x into sin x by cos x into dx. So here e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x get cancelled. Cos x get cancelled. Sin x dx. Integration of sin x is minus cos x plus k2. Okay. So this a y1 plus b y2. This is a into y1. Substitute in equation 1. B into y2. So entire thing we will multiply. So this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. So after multiplication, we are getting this. Okay. So here what I'm doing is that the constant terms, I'm collecting it in bracket, and rest of the things with the simplification, I'm collecting here. Okay. So this is what exactly the solution is. Okay. So next thing is that, so with this, I have completed variation of parameter. So next, please try to work out these 4 examples by tomorrow. By tomorrow, I'll ask, please everyone send it to me. Okay. Through to my WhatsApp number. I'll check one by one. Okay, each and everyone, all 40 students, you have to send it to me. That is strict warning. So, and if you have any doubts while solving, while integrating, because almost all important example I have solved, and with that addition to that, you have to solve these 4 examples. So, any doubts you can ask me. Hello. Any doubts? Hello, students.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So, will you solve all those 4 examples? Yes. These are the 4 examples you can see. These 4 examples will you solve?
Sir.
So by today evening by 6 o'clock, you have to send it to me. Okay. This is a target, and afterwards I'll send this one, what? Assignment. I'll send the assignment. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll go for courses and listen raise. For that, we will take 2 classes. With that, I'll wind up entire thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.